In this video, I'll show you how to make the aligned cobble stitch. We'll begin with our slip knot. We will need to chain a multiple of 2 plus 2. So I want my length to be about 24 stitches. So I'm going to chain 24, and you can choose your custom length in any multiple of 2. Now that I've chained my 24, I'm going to add my plus 2. Next, we need to single crochet in the second chain from our hook. To do that, insert the hook into the stitch, grab the working yarn, and pull it through and up. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Insert our hook, pull up the working yarn, yarn over, and pull through both loops on our hook. Continue doing this all the way across the row, and I'll meet you at the end. Once we finish that row, we need to chain 1 and then turn our work over. Now we're going to single crochet in the same space that we chained our 1. So right here we will insert our hook and do our single crochet. In the next stitch, we need to triple crochet. So we need to yarn over twice, insert our hook into the stitch, grab the working yarn from behind, pull it through and up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the last 2. In the next space, we'll do a single crochet again. And then our next, we will do a triple crochet. So we keep repeating the single crochet, triple crochet all the way across the row, and we will end our row on a single crochet. Press pause, and I'll meet up with you again at the end of the row. Once again, we need to chain 1 and turn our work over, and for this row we're going to be single crocheting all the way across the row. But we need to be sure to do our first single crochet in the same space as our chain 1. So insert our hook here and do our single crochet. Then we can continue with our single crochets through the end of this row. And we just keep repeating those 2 rows, 1 full of single crochets, 1 full of the single and triple crochets. Here's how the front looks. And this will be your back side of your project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to make sure you don't miss out on any of my video tutorials. Have a great day.